If I say 1 plus 1 equals 2, it means both are equal. That is how the word equation has come. The entire thing is called an equation. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, the definition says it involves one or more literal variables. Forget the English or forget whatever you don't understand. Listen to what I'm trying to say. There are two terms or there are two words that we've come across, be it in your smaller classes or in grade 7 or wherever. The first word is constant and the second word is variable. What am I trying to say here? The word constant itself means that something does not change. It is constant. Irrespective of anything, it does not change. Am I right? The second word that I've written is variable. You know what vary is? Vary means change. That means a variable keeps changing. How it changes, when it changes, why it changes is what we'll do eventually. But it's very important to understand the difference between a constant and a variable. In Hindi, if I have to put in, constant means जो कभी नहीं बदलता, and variable बदलता रहता है, keeps changing. Now, why am I explaining this to you? Because an equation has constants, it has variables. A combination of these two forms an equation. Now guys, give me a second. Let me share my screen with you. Yes. If you guys can see my screen. Now, let's see what I'm trying to tell you over here. Say I write an equation. 2x plus 3 equal to 5. You see the letter x over here. That means if I am only talking about, say, 2x. Now if I say the value of x.
You can't see any x. You can only see the part which wrote equation 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and all.
1 second, Priscilla. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Can you guys see? Yes. So now I have written something very simple.
Sir.
2x plus 3 equal to 5. Forget about all this. Let's just focus on 2x. If I take 2x and if I'm telling you that the value of x is 1. So what is the value of 2x? It is 2. Am I right? Now, if I tell you the value of x is 2, then what is the value of 2x? It is 2 into 2. It is 4. Am I right? Yes. So what do you observe? You know this. This is basic. But what am I trying to tell you? Why x is called a variable? It is a variable because if I'm changing the number, if I say x is 1, I get a different answer. If I say x is 2, I get a different answer. And if I say x is 3, I'm getting a different answer. That means it is varying. It is changing. It makes sense now? Do you guys understand what constant and what variable is? If I look at... Pardon? What's your doubt, Priscilla?
Sir, it's like when your screen is being seen in screen, like I can see the same thing repeating again and again.
Yeah. Is it fine now?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, if I look at these two numbers, 3 and 5, 3 and 5 are always going to be 3 and 5. That means they're not going to change. So what are they called? They're called constants. Now, let us understand why the topic that we're studying is even called linear equations. Can I have answers so as to why you think something is called a linear equation? Guys, I need answers pouring in so as to why you think something is called a linear equation. Is there a reason why it is called such? It's in a line. Okay, okay. You probably have heard about something called quadratic equation also. Maybe.
Sir?
You might have not heard it. Yes, Karthik.
Sir, maybe because it is special because of its variables.
Okay, okay. Think. It's okay if I get wrong answers. It's okay if I get correct answers. We'll see why it is called such. Just because I've told you a linear equation, are you going to tell me that just because Rajat sir has told it's a linear equation, it's a linear equation? I want you to think why it's a linear equation, first of all. Is it because the name of the topic? Think about what the name of the topic even means. As linear means line. Yes, it makes sense. But what are we trying to say over here? Let's understand that. Listen very carefully to this. All your theory and your numbers are going to be drawn. I'm going to explain it with the help of a drawing. Now guys, let me erase this. Yes. Look at what I'm going to put here. You guys know what you guys know what I've just drawn? I've drawn an x-axis and I've drawn a y-axis. I've basically
Yes, sir. A graph. Like we have this on the graph.
Yes. Now, you guys might be wondering, I'm teaching you linear equations where probably you've heard about a question. From where did I get a graph over here? There might be some reason behind it. So as to why I drew this. Because I do not want to explain to you guys. I want you to understand. I want you to think where the linear equation came from. Let's make it very simple for you.